Qingdao Fairway International Trading Company Limited, it was established in 2011, which is located in Qingdao, Shandong Province, China. The cooperation factory has an area over 5,000 square meters with convenient transportation. After more than 10 years' continuous pursuit and endeavor, it has become a professional garment supplier, incorporating developing and designing into an organic whole. The He Cooperation Factory's annual production capacity is 2 million pieces. Our mainly products: knit sleepwear, homeware, lingerie. The main fabric is modal, Lenzing Ecovero, tencel, combed cotton, etc. With thousands of styles and designs, we also entered into the fashion elements of popular Western fashion, which the unique personality and vogue are showed. Therefore, our products meet worldwide consumers' aesthetic appreciation and attracted customers from all over the world. Our products are mainly sold to France, Italy, Poland, New Zealand, Spain, and Switzerland, etc. Some of our customers are very famous in the garment field, such as Itam, Yamame, Kerry, Farmers, Otts, etc. We had good business relationship more than 10 years with them. Our cooperation factory has excellent sewing machines which combines the traditional and advanced technologies, experienced and professional staff, and strict quality control. So, the quality and production efficiency has been improved gradually. Our company sincerely hope to establish long-term business relationship with you. We will give back you perfect garment with high quality, good service, and competitive prices.